I have created this Google Sheet in which you can keep track of your email marketing campaigns and their data. Um, for example, in this sheet, you can have any structure of report of your campaigns. For example, I have the campaign ID, the ICP details, the ICP for which the campaign was designed, the service I want to sell, the emails, the exact emails that were used, even if these are multiple emails like cadence emails, you can just copy paste the entire email text in this cell for the campaign. And then you can note down all the email number of emails sent, people who replied, number of MQLs, conversion ratio, and the conversion amount, and the people who unsubscribed to the campaign. So you can have any structure of you want to have. Okay, the only thing that is really mandatory in this, apart from other stuff, is the email text that you used. These this can have multiple emails. So what this sheet does now is, based on your past campaign data, it can be this is just 6 lines of dummy data. In reality, there will be more. So based on this data, what you can do is you can now have feedback on your new campaign, where you can describe the new campaign name, the service you want to market in this campaign, the ICP details. It can be a long, very long text here. You can just copy paste the entire ICP details over here. It's better if you put it in Markdown language. Markdown is, you can search over internet, it's hashtag based language. And then the email text you want uh, for this campaign. For example, you think that this campaign should have this kind of an email. Okay, and this is what you have written down for the new campaign. Now you can have the feedback from the generative AI. What it will do is it will compare your new campaign information and the email with the past data and its performance. And based on this comparison, it will let you know that, number one, the feedback will include the problematic expressions in your email. For example, as the holiday season approaches, according to the generative AI analysis, this is a problematic approach, and it will suggest that you can use these starting lines and these expressions that you have used in your past successful campaigns. You can see that it has referenced campaign 0, 2, 4, and 5. It did not reference campaign number 3. Maybe it did not perform well. So what it does, it provides you the expressions that are not aligned with your past campaign successful campaigns, and then suggests the expressions that you can use from the past campaigns. And then it provides the analysis that why the engine thinks that these are better replacements from your past successful campaigns. So this is just feedback number one, and it just provides this information based on the email text that you have written here for your new campaign. And it provides two suggestions over here so that you can have better analysis. And then second thing it does, it provides you with the new email copy that you can use based on it will analyze the past campaign data that you have provided, and it will retain the brand voice and product details that you have mentioned in that campaign. And based on your new campaign details, it will rather provide you the copy for email that you can use in your new campaign. So this tool is created using SnapWriter APIs, and it works by using this checkbox button. I have right now zoomed in quite a bit here. Let me zoom out. And if I click generate, it will take 7 to 8 seconds, and it will provide me the feedbacks. So here you can see that it has provided the new copy as well and the feedback for the existing copy that I've just written for my new campaign. So if you need the free copy of this template, you can just send me a direct message in my inbox, and I will provide you this Google Sheet template that you can use for your campaigns. Thank you very much.